I have never seen this, guys, since when I have been creating content on YouTube. You know, yesterday, YouTube really amazed me. And I was just like discussing with my wife. I was like, I created a channel and the channel has 0 subscribers. And the content just started flying. I was like, wow. And what even amazes me is that is and when I checked my analytics, it was under suggested videos. I was like, wow, a channel with 0 subscribers. Most people just believe, you know, that you will never get views on YouTube, without subscribers. I used to think that same way too, until something surprising happened just yesterday. I created a brand new gaming channel, and that channel is just having about 0 subscribers, and uploaded a video. Boom! In just 24 hours later, this morning I went to check my YouTube studio, and I saw something shocking. That video has gotten 25 views. I was like, wow, where did these views come from? And not only that, it was showing up in suggested videos, like I said earlier. How does that happen with 0 subscribers? Well, let's break it down. One thing we need to know is this. One of the first thing we must know is that YouTube does not really rely on subscribers to make your content seen or to make people see your content. Subscribers are just one way of traffic on YouTube, but not the main way of getting traffic on YouTube. In fact, most views come from YouTube recommendation. And under YouTube recommendation, we have suggested videos, homepage, search. So these are all under YouTube recommendation. So what does this mean for you? So it means that even if you are starting from the scratch, YouTube can still promote your video. And if it thinks people might enjoy it, what the platform does is that the platform tests your video with a small group of viewers. And if they see that those small group of viewers are responding positively, they will push it to a higher number of viewers. And if this small group of viewers, they click on the thumbnail, and and it happens that your thumbnail, your title is standing out. So YouTube then takes a positive signal and then show your video to more people. So that's what exactly happened to my channel with 0 subscribers. Look, I was trying to make research to find out all of this, and I was like, wow, okay, so this is what really happened. Alright, so my video got placed next to other gaming videos as a suggested option. And this proves that YouTube is actually looking for what viewers want. What viewers actually, they're actually looking for what viewers want, and not just content from big channels. Alright, so if you have been scared to start because you don't have subscribers, let this be an encouragement to you that even with 0 subscribers, you can start amassing views on YouTube. And let me even shock you. It wasn't a short, it was a long form content. So what you should do is that you should focus on creating strong titles, that's number one, eye-catching thumbnails, and valuable content that people enjoy. Alright, YouTube will test your videos even if your channel brand is new. Are you getting that? So they will always test it with some other. So one thing we all have to know is this. Now YouTube is a professional setting. And people come to YouTube to come and search for solutions. So if your channel got that solution, you will get subscribers, you will get views, and you will get watch hours. And not mostly, you will reach monetization. So take note of the following, the points. 1, YouTube doesn't need subscribers to push your videos. Subscribers are just a source of traffic, but not the main source of traffic. One of the main source of traffic is YouTube recommendation. And under this YouTube recommendation, we have suggested video, homepage, and search. And having 25 views in 24 hours, with 0 subscribers, is a positive signal that that channel is going to do well. With consistency, hard work, and keep on showing up, and do not diminish or reduce the value of your content. Are you getting it? And let me tell you the truth. You know one thing that is even a shocker? Being in suggested video is a big deal for me. It's a big deal, sincerely. It's really, really a big deal. And suggested videos are one of the strongest traffic sources on YouTube. And that means my title, my thumbnail, or the topic was engaging. Alright, so, and early views / data connection, that's another thing we should take note of. YouTube is learning who my audience may be in that channel. And if viewers engage, in other words, they watch longer and they click, are you getting it? Alright, or they comment, then YouTube will widen the testing. They will not take it to a higher audience. So, but if they bounce quickly, it will slow down. So what I'm expressing is a proof that subscribers aren't the source of traffic. YouTube is the main source of traffic. And this is one thing we must always note as creators. And now, I'd like you to tell me in the comment section, what's stopping you from uploading your next video? Just let me know in the comment section. And guys, I want to use the opportunity once more to tell you to like, comment, and share this video. And also, I want to also introduce that gaming channel to you once more. Just go there, go and subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos there. And have fun. Just have a wonderful time on that gaming channel. Thank you so much, guys. Please drop a like for me, drop a comment, and share this video if you are just seeing this, so that those who do not know about this can get to know about this. Sincerely, I was really amazed. I was like, wow, man, can this happen? In all of my years of content creation, I was like, wow, I've been creating content since 2021. I've never seen this. And I'm amazed. YouTube really amazed me yesterday, guys. Please share this video. See you in my next post.